up guys, Miguel Dc here. This time in my COD channel. But yes, I'm playing COD. Surprising, isn't it? I guess. So as you saw in my latest posts in my channel, you saw some like COD memes, I don't know. Today I'm gonna do a compilation maybe, if I can record some good rounds right now. So yeah, let's start.
Enemy spotted.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Nice.
First map is Noise Kill House, which I could probably kill a lot. No pun intended, I guess. Okay. Right there.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Okay. Try to go down.
Gotcha, bitch.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Oh, dang it.
Oh, hell no!
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, wait.
Oh, hell no!
Wait! Oh, I thought he wasn't dead.
Bruh.
Hey, the MVP! Next map is Standoff. Okay. Get into it.
Run.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Don't.
Oh, hell no!